How to create equal height columns in Jupyter X. If you previously worked with Jupyter, there was an option in WP Bakery that called equal columns, where you could make all columns have an equal height in the row shortcut settings. The question is, what is the solution to get the same result in Jupyter X? Hopefully, you don't need to add any customization to have equal height columns in Jupyter X. Elementor, which is the default Jupyter X page builder plugin, allows you to have equal height columns by default in a section without any customization. Let me show you an example. I'm going to add a new section and use this structure to have two columns. As you can see, my section's height is on default and I have two columns. Now I'm going to insert some content inside of each column to see if they have equal height or not. For first column, I'm going to add a heading. There you go. And some text. For the second column, I'm going to add an icon and some text. Let me make it more text. Now, to have a better view, I'm going to add background color for each column. Let me select the column. From Style tab, I'm going to add a blue color for this and green color for this. As you can see, both columns have equal height. Now, I'm going to add some spacer for first column. Now, again, columns have equal height. Thank you for watching.